Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Pragya aka Glam by Pragya. So in today's video I will be talking about this new brand name as Moody, and I'm going to be talking about their new hydrating range, and I'm super excited to talk and try out the products with you guys. A few products I've tried out before, few are completely brand new for me, so I will be trying all of them here today in this video. And yes, without any further ado, let's just get a rolling. First thing is that their packaging is hats off. They look so nice, so kind of eye soothing. They look very icy, something that is gonna be very catchy in the summers. Like, yes, I would like to grab that. I mean, I really appreciate that. As you know, I have my bare skin, but I'm just gonna clutch my hair back like that. The first product that I will be talking about is their 7D Hydro Boost Dew It Face Serum, which contains 2% of hyaluronic acid and peptides, and it comes in a 20 ml of packaging, and it actually gonna work on brightening your skin, combating inflammation and hydrating your skin. These are the three properties that this product actually claims, and it is priced at 555. Now this is how the product looks like. It is super cute. It looks really cute. I mean, come on. Let's start off with my skincare. I have nothing on my skin. I have a little bit of toner, that's all. So usually I really like hydrating serums that is gonna hydrate and work on repairing barrier, because I use tretinoids, and it is very important for me to use something that is actually gonna repair my skin. Peptides are very popular for repairing your skin barrier, and they work on repairing your skin damage and also any inflammation that is caused by any sort of sunburn or any sort of other products that you can be using. And it is very hydrating as well, as it has hyaluronic acid, which is gonna hydrate and boost your skin and gonna make it look really plumped. If you guys can see, it already looks so hydrating and glowy, and I really like it. It is not because of the light. I would like to put another shot over here in natural daylight, because it's right now I'm inside my room with all this lightings up here, so it might look okay, it is because of the lightings, but no, I'll put a natural light video clip over here, so that you guys can understand how beautiful this serum is. And it is actually very gorgeous serum. So this product is a yes for me. I really love this product. The next product I'll be talking about is their 7D Hydro Burst 100 hours gel moisturizer with hyaluronic acid and coconut water. It contains 50 grams of product. I'll tell you, moisturizer are the key. From the day I have started using tretinoin, I have learned a lot about skincare, and also not because of that, even previously when I was using glycolic acid itself, I understood when we are kind of rupturing our skin barrier, we are kind of making sure our dead skin cells are going off, but we need to moisturize that skin to repair and kind of get that nourishment back to our skin. So moisturizers are so important even in summers. Now I have my favorite moisturizers that I really love, but this has to be the new addition in that collection. This moisturizer looks luxe, but it is very affordable, and again it is so beautiful looking moisturizer, and something that is very good in packaging and very good in action also. So that's why I have to say I really love this. And also in summers you need something to cool off your skin. It has aloe vera leaf juice in it. It has coconut fruit extract. It doesn't have the coconut oil, it has their fruit extract. It has shea butter to hydrate and moisturize your skin. It has panthenol. It has it has hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid. Oh, this feels so cold. I don't know, I haven't seen anything mentholy in their ingredient list, but each of their products, I mean the serum and this, they don't feel minty, but they feel cooling. I mean, this moisturizer is very lightweight, very hydrating, kind of has this cooling, amazing cooling sensation. It feels So hydrating and has a very light, fresh fragrance. I would say it is making my skin look brighter. It doesn't make my skin look dark. So the next product that I have is their hybrid water sunscreen with SPF 50 with hyaluronic and coconut water, and it contains 50 ml of product. And again, the packaging is so cute, so good. Coming to the ingredients specifically for the sunscreen, it contains aqua, coconut fruit extract, glycerine, octyl methoxycinnamate, propanediol, octocrylene, aloe vera leaf juice, butyl methoxy D benzoyl methane, and then it contains hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid, panthenol, and xanthan gum, titanium dioxide. And as far as it doesn't contains oxybenzone and benzophenone, so I am good to go. So that's why I pretty much really love this sunscreen. It has this amazing runny texture, super lightweight. I don't want to waste much of this product because it is so good, guys. It blends immediately, no residue, no white cast. Can you guys see? It feels ultra lightweight, and I feel this is very hydrating and non-sticky and cooling feel to it, and it is so lightweight, you guys, and it's gone. My skin is not oily, it is very much glowy, but it is not oily. There is a difference between having an oily skin and just a glowing skin. I'm not sweating, and this is not oil, this is just the glow from the products that I have used. And honestly, this sunscreen is a must. It's a must. I would say just go get it. So these are very good. They have all hydrating and repairing properties rather than any sort of actives in it, and that's why I think this is amazing, great. Especially the sunscreen also, I prefer something that is really like actives free, and it doesn't have any actives. It has hydrating properties that is gonna hydrate and calm your skin. I've got two other products which are basically from their body range, but from this hydrating range, it is their Hydro Burst Beach Please Body Mist with hyaluronic and glycolic acid, contains 200 ml of product. And the other one is Hydro Burst Beach Please Body Lotion with SPF of 30 with hyaluronic and coconut water. These two are the product. Now coming to this one, okay, especially this one, it has this amazing blue color water inside, which is very hydrating and contains glycolic acid and hydrating properties like coconut fruit extract, glycerine, hydrolyzed rice extract. It has rice extract, by the way, aloe vera juice, and all good properties, and it smells so freaking good. The thing usually what I do is that I take a bath, I come, I apply body mist, and then I hydrate. So it's a two-step process, but here it cuts into one where I can hydrate myself. It smells good and it is so freaking good. I hope this review would be helpful for you guys to understand which one to pick up among their range, and I know they have such an amazing range out here, so you guys might be confused. So if you have any questions about these products, you can comment below. I would like to reply it to you guys, and that's it for today's. We'll see you guys in my next video. Till then,